Yo YouTube, what's going on, and welcome back to another design video here on this channel. Today we are going to be doing another thumbnail for a client, and this is not like your meta, it's more of like an educational thumbnail. It is how to unlock the WRYM Camo on Fortune's Keep. So if you don't know anything about it, it's an Easter egg on Fortune's Keep. You go to these different areas along the map, and then you eventually unlock it, and that's pretty much it. It's just an Easter egg, but it's still a cool camo. And if you're not like a super sweaty player, you just want to, check out these Easter eggs, this video is going to be for you. That video of that gameplay is going to be located in the description below. Greasy was the guy that did this, and you'll be able to see the whole gameplay, and you'll see the design that's created for that thumbnail in this video here. So without further ado, let's open Photoshop and see what we can create. Alright, so like always, we start with a basic layer. This is the first layer that if you watched the last video, you would have saw that I start each thumbnail out with this. He sent me some inspiration, so I kind of got a good idea of what to go off of. I'm going to go ahead and pull those assets in. Okay, so now we got our map loaded into. The next thing is, like I said, adding layers and layers. I do know for this one, I want to go ahead and drop in the gun, and then let you guys know what the gun looks like. I'll drop that in like that. This is the camo, guys. If you haven't seen and stuff, it's pretty cool.
Wow.
This is a good screenshot from him. So I do know this is probably going to be the more detailed shot. So let's go ahead. We're going to go up to select. You're going to hit subject. When you're on subject, the computer will go ahead and render all that out. Actually, it did a really good job. There is a little bit. So we're going to go up right here to quick selection tool. We're going to hit minus, and we're going to take away some of this right here. Okay, and then go back to plus, and we're going to paint that back in like so. Okay. Paint that back in right here so it gets all those pixels. Okay, so that looks like, okay, so see right here where the scope is not covered. Let's go ahead and grab that. Okay, paint away. It's a process, you know what I mean? Sometimes it is a quick one, and sometimes you just gotta like be patient with it. Actually, let me go ahead and boom. We're going to hit edit, we're going to hit copy, then we're going to hit edit, and then we're going to hit paste. Paste is a new layer. We're going to delete the back layer by hitting delete, and boom, there it is. Okay, so now we're going to drag this down to our guns where the color correction is, and it already pops, so that's a huge plus. So I'm going to do it like, I'm really trying to figure out, like, this one's kind of like different, right? So it's not like meta, so we're actually just going to put new camo. So let's do the text actually first here. Boom, boom. Okay, so this is from the last one that we did, so let's go ahead and put rare camo. I almost typed coma. Lord, that would have been bad chat. Okay, and then we're going to put unlocked. Boom. Okay. And we're gonna hit Control Z. Boom, boom. And then we're gonna hit Shift, and then we're just gonna move it a little bit here. Dun, 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 dun. So I'm trying to keep on brand to what he does as well. I don't want to get too crazy. Outer glow, yes. Okay, and we're going to put him, so I think honestly we put him like over here like this. We are going to make this arrow a little bit smaller. Boom. But first we're going to save. We're always going to save. There's always a good important idea to go ahead and save things. You never know how many times something's going to crash. Okay, and then another thing I want to put in here is the camo unlock as well. Maybe add a outer glow. Yep, that looks good. I'm going a little bit quicker with this one too, because I just know like this is just more of a basic type of design. Don't have to get crazy with it. And then oh, he's actually using a different one, so let me find one here. So now I'm just gotta drop one in for his face here. So let's do, yeah, I think I got it right here, guys. Just drop him in there. Boom, boom. That's the face I think I'm gonna use. As always, go up to select, subject. This will like save you so much time in the long run and stuff. And sometimes, you know, yeah, see, it did it perfectly there. I'm not going to worry about this quite yet. Except there is a little bit right here. Looks like his eyelash is not covered. So let's zoom in on that. Let's go over here to quick selection. Let's do a little bit. There we go. And now we are going to drag him to his layer of greasy headshot. Okay, that was the boom. And we're trying to make it size up so he's like reading. Yeah, I think this is good actually. Do see some things that I hear on this we have to clean up a little bit. So let's go ahead and try that a little bit. Boom. Okay. Yeah, there's a couple things here on this gun we'll have to just fix a little bit, but nothing crazy. Some of these is just not fitting the way that we want it to. There we go. All right, so we got a hard edge right down here, as we can see. Let's see if we can't clean that up a little bit. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Oh, boom. Okay, rare camo unlocked. Trying to see if everything reads well. And I think it kind of does. I'm still a little bit iffy about this one. So let me. Yeah, I think moving it down has already helped. We're adding our glow on this one as well. Boom. That's good. Okay, so now let's clean up this gun a lot. So we need to go in here and we just need to clean some things up. So let's go to the eraser tool. It's massive. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're just gonna clean it up here on this edge. Thought something was crazy right there. Yep, my opacity was through the roof. We're gonna clean this part up here. And this is the attention to detail that you want to have whenever you're working with a client, because these little things, you're not only representing yourself as a designer, but you're representing this person as a brand too. So you want to make sure that the content that you're putting out for them is going to, you know, in reflection of what they want to put out as well. So, okay, see that like got a little bit too much right there. So let's just continue. Okay. Ooh, that was pretty clean right there. Yes, much better, much better, much better. Yep. Okay, and then there's a little hard spot right here, and I think we'll generate this right here out. So let's do that. Oh, shoot. Yep. smooth it out a little bit. And then, like I said, let's try to boom. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to auto-generate this. I talked about this in my last video, but it's always a really good thing, especially when you have something like this. If you don't want to go ahead and do a content fill, you can generate this. So what we're going to do, that's what we're going to select it. We're going to go to the lasso tool, which is right up here in the top left. You're going to click it, and it allows you to create a pathway. Once that pathway is created and you draw that, you right click, hit generate a fill, and then let's just hit generate. What that's going to do is going to take all the pixels and the data that's within that area, and it's going to create a new version for you. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, depending on the type of data that's in there. But as you can see, this works perfectly. It copies it into what it needs to. If you're doing a pattern, either one of these works really well, and it just takes that number off of like the ammo and stuff. It's just that's so smooth. You couldn't ask for a more perfect one right there. I don't know. What do you guys think? Overall, rare camo unlocked. Boom. You got the camo here to the left. I think this is a winner and stuff. So why don't you guys comment below what you think I should do more on this channel? Is it thumbnails? Is it vertical content? Or what would you like to see? I'm kind of like shooting in the dark on some of this content because I'm just really trying to see what sticks in regards to design. Now, I know I did this one super easy and I really didn't go into more of an educational standpoint. I totally get that. So you let me know what you would like to see, and I will provide all the answers needed. But hope you guys like this one. Please sub, please comment, let me know, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.